friends, do you want to get featured in the EF Impact video and join the star cast of this short movie? Yes, ExamFear is coming up with the EF Impact, an innovative video which would feature you, the viewers of examfear.com. What is the EF Impact? The EF Impact is a video that would showcase the impact that ExamFear video lessons had on the lives of thousands of students, teachers, and parents across the country. This video will be featured on the homepage of examfear.com. So here is a chance for you to feature on homepage of your favorite examfear.com. So how can you participate? We want to know the impact from our viewers who have been with us for the past so many years. All you need to do is send us a video stating how ExamFear benefited you. If we like your video, it will be selected as a part of the EF Impact video. You can send us your video at examfearvideos@gmail.com. Please note, it's examfearvideos@gmail.com. You can record this video using your mobile phone or a camera. You can even use your computer in case you have a front camera to record this video. And please do remember that your video should include the following details: a brief introduction about yourself, your name, class, school, and city, what were the difficulties that you faced, and how did ExamFear help you overcome the difficulties. So hurry up, friends. Do not miss this chance to get featured on the homepage of examfear.com. Good luck, everyone, and we hope to receive a lot of interesting and encouraging videos from all our fans and followers. Thank you.